How to compress videos on CapCut PC without losing quality. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can compress video on CapCut PC without losing their quality. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon. So here you can see I have this project on my screen right now. So what we're going to do is simply head over to this project. You can see this when you hit that export option. You can see the file size of this project. Like the duration is this much minute and the file size is about 624 MB. So in order to reduce this and compress it, you're just going to head over and decrease the quality a bit, which will be a really good quality. It won't really affect it because 1080p is a really good quality. So you can just click on this 2K drop down option and take it to 1080p, which means it will reduce a bit. And same goes for this other options as well. You can see this higher option. You can just make it lower and the file size has decreased again. Same goes for the other option as well. You can see you may just switch it up to HPVC, and after that change the MP4 into MP3, or you may just go on with compressing the files, like changing it into 30 fps, and audio, turning it off, exporting GIF, just turn it off, and after that just export and your file should be compressed without losing any quality. So just follow that process and you should be able to compress your file. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.